Right, before I go too far, because I always do this, I've got a whole bunch of knives, axes, machetes and other things and saws that I use all the time, and I'm going to be using them a hell of a lot more around here in the coming weeks to clean up the whole bunch of stuff at my friend's place. So I started, and well, I started a while back, but I just started on, this is an old chook pen, and about 15 minutes ago you couldn't see the doorway to it because there was a big old weed tree here that was hanging over a citrus, and the vines and everything have climbed over the citrus and stuff. So what I'm doing is clearing all the vines off, clearing this tree away, and all I've used is a silky yoki. Sorry, ATC products, Juanita and oh damn, old man brain. Sorry guys, but I've been a bit abusive towards this, but it's, look at this stuff. This is like a couple of hacks. You look at the size of this thing here, and the yoki, it just dives through it. All this stuff, I've chopped it up into pieces down here, just cut away, hacked away at the vines. The vines just, let me see, I'll try and do something here. There we go. So it just rips through it. That hook blade there is perfect for this sort of work. Just, yeah, so I'm having a ball. I'm just hacking away at vines and finding, look, these poor little tiny, I believe that's supposed to be a mandarin. Poor little stunted thing. Yeah, so I'm going to hack away at all this, open it all up, let this vine die off, let all this vine die off and clean it up. So this is pet project number one. Oh, and possibly one of the reasons why is we've got this cool little spot here that was a chook pen. Now imagine all this being hacked away, and the citrus will still be there. You can see the trunk there goes up, and then you'll set a little chair, I don't know, about here maybe, just here at the front of the chook pen, and you sit down here with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, and you have a look out that way, and you look way out to the north there, northeast, and once it's cleared, you look down across the hills here. I think it'd be a nice little spot just to sneak away to and sit down at. So that's my plan. It's all wilderness down that way, and it's very steep country here. We're right on the ridge, so on the edge of the ridge. So the house is actually just a little bit down from the top of the ridge road, and that's the house up there. A few trees here I've got to get rid of. There's a beautiful big black bean just here. A lot of palms. There's locusts, mangoes, avocado, heaps of avocados on the tree. Yum. What else have I seen? Oh, there's wild raspberries. I believe there is a japotacoba here somewhere, and a few other native fruit trees. So yeah, so I'm going to spend a little bit of time here clearing up for Chris, and hanging out here for a bit, I think. While I can't repair the ute, I really can't go anywhere, and I might be able to pick up some of my tools and stuff from down at the shed at Steve's, but I don't think I can even really do that in the ute. It's just not working, and it's going to cost a bit of money to get it repaired. So, or even to get a kit, and I don't know whether I can trust myself to pull a 5-speed auto transmission apart, or and completely rebuild it. I don't know. I probably could. It's a jigsaw puzzle, but yeah, what do you do? Anyway, so let's go for a walk up here. If you're still watching, sorry, gang. Just off on a random tangent. We're up on this. Just give you an idea of how steep it is. I'm at the back end of the thing. Oh, there's my feet. So that's the roof from this side. So it's quite steep through here. It's old banana plantation. Go up here. Back up here. Walk you back to the house, hey? Walking, it's an old man's walk, so expect the grunts and groans and oops and upses and it all hurts too much. This is a little cubby house that was here many moons ago before it all got overgrown. I'm going to clear these weed trees here. I'm clearing most of these out. I believe they're white cedar, but I could be wrong. I think they're related, but I don't think they are white cedar. I know white cedar are a pioneer tree in rainforest. It's been cleared, the same as macarangas. But yeah, I'm not sure. So, but I do want to clear that out. Open this little cubby house up. I've been doing a bunch of gardening down through here. Well, Chris and I have. Cleared all through here. And we did all down this way. This is still to be done through here. To open it up for beauties like that. And this pretty thing. And then we've got the poinsettia here, Christmas tree. There's another one. There's quite a few around here. I think they grow wild. There's cycads through the garden. Them, which I know their name and can never remember. They've got those trippy leaves on them. I know what it is. And then we've got, this is another native. And then Chris and I cleared all this out. I will either upload the video that I did before all this was cleared first, or you may see it after this one. Not sure. We'll see what happens. So we cleared all the pond out, and then I discovered that there is an overflow waterfall. That's all the way down there with the little ponds. And there's a wishing well over there, and that tree, which you'll, hang on, let me walk through here. We're doing the big tour. Valencia orange tree with so much fruit on it. Chris went down, he's been working with his, I'll go down the rough track. Let's go down this way. Oh, just so you know, most of the stuff Chris has been using his electric hedge trimmer and the ride-on mower. I've been using my Halter Force axe and my 3 Silky Saws, the Silky Big Boy, Silky Pocket Boy 17, Silky Pocket Boy 13, I think they are, to trim away at stuff, and the Yorkie, of course. and a little spade. So we've cleared all through here. This was all, if you look at that there, and you look at the vine, it's overgrown everything here. This whole section all the way through here was completely covered in vine. The steps, you couldn't see the steps, all down there. So we managed to clear all that. Then we've got a few jobs to do down this way that I want to do anyway, to clear things up and get rid of this lantana. I hate lantana. Hate it with a passion. And that vine, that crappy vine, and the one with the sticky seeds that stick to your shirt and crap. Anyway, see, so that's what it does. It smothers trees, and we don't want that. Anyway, look, it's been 10 minutes. You've probably all switched off by now. Take it for a walk up here. There's the house. You can see the deck out there where the view is. Over to your right there, near past the palm trees and where that big gum is. So this is the entryway into the place. It sits out over the drop off there. Over the years, Chris has told me that his views slowly disappeared as the trees have got bigger, so which is really cool. He doesn't mind. He wants a laser. He wants one of them high-powered lasers, so he can just, instead of cutting trees down, you slice them across the top and prune them, so that he gets his view and the trees still grow. I figured, yeah, that's pretty cool. Frickin' lasers, man. So this is little track. There's another property further up here, and Chris was telling me that this road that you can see up there that goes down the dip there, he built that himself, so he had access to the top side of his property. So this is kind of the end of what they call Roberts Road, and then Ridge Road goes up over here to the Starlight community, which is like a kind of individualist hippie community thing. I'm not quite sure, but they've got a like a community meeting shed thing and stuff like that. So it's all a big community, bought the property together, and yeah, heaps of, and it's all forest land. This is all basically land for, what do they call it? Land for forests or whatever, when you buy land and you let nature take its course. Anyway, that's about enough from me. I better find me dogs, and there's the ute in there with the broken transmission sitting in there, and here come the puppies. Where are you dogs? How'd you get stuck there? How are you gonna get through there, you drongos? Come this way. This way. Come on, quick. All right, I'm going to leave you. So I'm going to walk the dogs back down the bottom here so that they can find the road, because they some way have found themselves up on the other side of that fence. Come on, hurry up. And I'll see you again. Bye.